welcome back to my channel. But first, I want to thank my new subscribers. I'm now at 51 subscribers. It's climbing up. I'm appreciating you people. I thank you for taking interest in my channel. I'm out here trying to bust my ass, trying to make something good for you guys. So I was hoping through YouTube that I can increase it a little bit so I can guarantee you have dinner on my table. So I hope you guys understand my position and what I'm involved with and what I'm trying to do. And I ain't gonna lie, it's nerve-wracking worrying about where my next meal is going to come from. Am I going to be able to eat? Am I going to be able to sleep? Am I going to be able to walk? Am I going to have better quality of life after this? Or did I just jump out of the frying pan into the furnace? So, it would be nice to know that I got people to support my channel so I can continue making something of myself. There's a major thing that took place, and it's also going to be part of my video. So as you can recall, my tea bucket is one of my favorite street rides that I'm in the middle of building. That kind of took the back seat for a while because not enough money. So things had to really get rearranged up there. And I got my mile away Ford right here lined up. And there goes my tea bucket underneath of that, sadly, for now. Love that car. But there's something else that's taking place. So since the Blazer got taken away, I was left with this here frame. It's actually not Blazer, it's a GMC Jimmy. Originally equipped with a V6, which is now dealing with what appears to be a 305 from an 87 Monte Carlo, not super sport, but classic. It has your electric Rochester carb and has the emissions control, which I'm going to be fine with. Immediately, the fuel pump will not fit with this in this frame, so that is getting deleted. So there's going to be a block off plate, and it's going to be electric fuel pump. As you can see, she fits in there very well. Transmission, I'm going to have to build a cross member for the tail of the transmission so that can tie down. I have to put my clamshells in there for the motor mounts. The steering looks like it's going to be okay. It's a little tight, but I think she'll be okay. After the clam mounts are installed, this does have four-wheel drive. Excuse me. It has four-wheel drive, but that's going to be deleted. It's going to have a master cylinder, but the brake booster is going to be taken out of the way. Everything's going to be taken off the front of this except for water pump and the alternator. I won't need power. Well, I may need power steering, so I may leave that in there. But the smog control, anything emissions, is coming out of there. And then I'm going to dress it up like the tea bucket, but it's not going to be as powerful. It's just going to be nice appearance and be a good daily runner. The bumpers are getting knocked off. They're going to get the more traditional style bumpers. And the way the frame is subframe shaped on my Model A, looks like she's going to hump right up over top of that just fine. Everything seems to line up. Has not been test fitted yet, but this is the mock-up process. I'm going to have some cross station I'm going to have to knock off Planning on sandblasting the frame. And then put some rust preventer on it. And probably use frame saver. So I'm sorry you guys didn't get to watch this. But I'll tell you what I did. I treated this frame just like a dang on trailer. I hooked it on this end. I hooked it on that end. And I pulled that sucker from over there. And pulled it forward. And backed her in just like a dang on trailer. So I'm sorry you guys couldn't watch that. That was quite entertaining. So it worked out pretty well. That was perfect. So I'm going to fix this pretty girl up. And I'm going to make her run. The motor is not locked up. But it sure the hell hasn't been ran in a good while. You can see there's no making that up. So she's gonna get some proper attention. She's gonna get some paint. She's gonna get cleaned up. Things are gonna get changed on it. Going for a 4-barrel. I'm hoping Holly, but whatever I can get my hands on, possibly a Rochester 4-barrel, maybe from a 70s model. Nothing with the electronic shit on it. Different exhaust, different headers, if I'm able to. Looks like I got some room there after I put the clamshells in it. But I can't promise how far along I'm going to get with that, because I got to get back to building my buggy again. But there was a lot of work that had to get done. So, there still is. Boy, I got a buttload of work. I'm talking about, I've been at probably about, altogether, just to get that here, this done, all this stuff moved, all my stuff. Normally you see me, I'm up there towards my model at T-Bucket. Normally you see the, I keep calling it Blazer, this thing, Jimmy, was up there next to the T-Bucket. And you normally see me working right in here on that buggy. Hadn't been nothing else done to it. She's still there, she's still good. Got some more parts. I had to wait for her to come in anyway, so we're going to put a new wheel bearing here on this side, because that was the one that was egged out. Got some more stuff for that. And I'm pulling my 440 two-stroke twin cylinder. She's getting ready to get some work done to her. Hooray, hooray. So I got to finish going through this stuff, organize that stuff, organize that stuff, so I can get it out of everyone's way. So I'm going to seriously do what I can. So I need that buggy finished. I need that 4-wheeler finished. And this is probably going to have to be on hold until I can start recuperating, because it ain't going to take much effort to sandblast. I can run a sandblaster after neck surgery, but not immediately. I got to make sure that my neck is stable. I'll probably be down for probably about a month or two, and for my recovery, because I still got to worry about my heart. Might be a good chance I may not come out of that. So the other portion of this video stuff I'm doing is on the hopes that doing this, that I would have encouraged enough people to want to gain interest in my channel and support it, so I can possibly make a little bit of revenue to help support me during my downtime. Because doing stuff like that buggy and stuff like the 4-wheelers and that kind of stuff, that's what makes my money. I'm not doing this. This ain't making me nothing. That T-Bucket, it's not making me anything. The Model A ain't making me nothing. But the four-wheelers and dirt bikes and buggies, that's where I'm making my money. So I can do this. So I think I'm going to end it here and pick it up when I can get back in order. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you, my new subscribers. Appreciate you guys. I'm hoping and I'm working on bringing you new, fresh material. Trying to keep you guys entertained. So help me by subscribing to my channel. Hit like, hit share, put some comments. Let me know what you think. But I appreciate you guys. I thank you for watching. I hope you guys come back and enjoy. Take care and have a good one.